Hello students, this is our next video of chapter 7 map work, and in this video we are going to discuss about the major international airports. And in this we will discuss about Amritsar. In Amritsar, what is there? Raja Sansi. In Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji. Chennai, Meenambakkam. Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi. Right. So we'll start with the Rajasthansi. What is there? Rajasthansi is there in Amritsar, Punjab. This is there here. What is there? Rajasthansi International Airport. And another one, the IGI. IGI is in Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Right. Rajasthansi is there in Amritsar, in Delhi, Indira Gandhi International, and next is there in Mumbai. It is Chhatrapati Shivaji. Here, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Next is there in Chennai. Chennai is there in which state? Tamil Nadu. Right. Here, what is there? That Chennai, which is there? Meenambakkam International Airport. And another one, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. It is there in Kolkata. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is there in Kolkata, near this curve. What is there? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And Hyderabad, which is there? Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is there in Hyderabad. Here, right. Which is there? Let's see. Number 1 in Punjab, which was there? Rajasthansi. Right. Another one in Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Right. Another one is there in Mumbai. What was the name? That Chhatrapati Shivaji. And another one here, Chhatrapati. And another one which is there in another one, that Chennai, it is Meenambakkam. Chennai, which is there? Meenambakkam. And in Hyderabad, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. And the last but not the least, it is there, that Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. These were the major international airport. These will only come for the final exams. These will only come for the final exams. Rajasthansi, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji, Meenambakkam, Rajiv Gandhi, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. These are the major airports of international airports of India. Right. So attempt this map in your atlas or on the map, right? Practice map, and you have to submit to me these maps. Here are PA2 2 chapters are over, and PA3 2 chapters are over, and PA2 syllabus is over. We'll revise. Our revision will start now. So till then, be at home and revise the chapters thoroughly and attempt the map and send to me.